when entrepreneurs come to you, are they generally like kind of like stuck? They have a certain sticking point. Is that generally what you see, or is it kind of all over the board?
Only a few have come to me at that point. The great majority of people are growing, and they just need somebody who understands how to get them to the next level, right? How to keep them
Gotcha.
growing. So
Yeah.
it's somebody who has some success and says, "Holy crap, I did this once and I failed," because the great majority of companies, like there's revenue plateaus, and I hate to make such a blanket statement like this, but there seems to be, after working with so many different companies, my own, with partnerships with the companies in the venture capital field, the companies that I advise, there seems to be these plateaus where there might be $1 million, $10 million, $25 million, 50, 80, and $100 million. And I could keep going, but basically there are plateaus that when a company is hitting those, right, they're getting to this level. What happens a lot is they go up and then they start doing this thing, and they go up above 1 million, and then they go down, and they get stuck in this plateau. And the reason is because most entrepreneurs don't understand that at certain levels of growth, you need to change the dynamic inside your organization. You need to upgrade your systems. You need to change the people. The people and the systems that got you to 10 million are not going to get you to 25 million. The systems that are great for you at 10 million does not mean you could take those systems and start another company from scratch, because $10 million systems can't build a company from scratch. But $10 million systems also can't get you to $25 million, right? So you need somebody who has a track record, has been through this multiple times, to say, yeah, dude, holy shit, you're creating a system. You're trying to create a system for a $25 million company, and you're barely breaking $1 million. Like, why the fuck are you doing this? It's a recipe for frustration.
Yeah, that makes total sense.
One of the things that we do in every company that I work with is we try to get everybody to build a process org chart, an organizational chart that is a little bit different than a normal corporate org chart. It doesn't just say, hey, here's the CEO, here's the financial guy, here's CFO, COO. It doesn't just have blocks on there. Each one of the blocks also has the 5, 10, 15 most important tasks for that particular person to do, right? Because when we have it so anally done that that we can see every repetitive task that has to happen, then we could literally see who our next hire is. We could see where people fit. We could see things in the hierarchy that are so much more organized than most people ever get with their companies.
Yeah. Bam.
I like the level that you break things down, man. That's really cool. And I imagine you see a lot of gaps in your systems and in your people once it's broken down like that.
Yeah, well, sure, of course. So what's funny is clarity. Like, what's the number one thing that you need to have in your organization is clarity, right?
Yeah.
We need to know where we're going. We need to know who we need on our team to get there. We need to know what kind of systems. We need to know what not the fuck to do, because holy shit, most people waste their time. So the exercise, it's almost like if I'm on a highway, I'm driving, sometimes it's better to slow down a little bit to go around this guy so I could speed up and get the fuck past him, as opposed to trying to race the dude, right?
Interesting.
So it's taking a step back, and it's giving yourself a day. Like, a day is not a long time, and a couple of hours, it's not that long to take out to really go through and create a process org chart, or to use one of these other tools or whatever you want to call them that just give you that clarity to see, well, who should be my next hire, or my God, who should not be here anymore? Like, we have grown so much that we don't need these 3 people anymore. I love them. I don't want to see them go, but you know what? I am so good. My only goal, my only job as the owner of this company is to grow this company.